Hi, my name is Nick. I'm from King O'Rourke. I'm one of the technology experts here, and I'm going to show you today how to lower the MultiPro MidGate on your GMC Sierra EV. First step is going to be lifting up the lower portion of your seat, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. All you got to do is pull this tab right here. Pull this tab right here, and there you go. Second step is going to be securing your seat belts right out of the way. Next step is going to be pressing the side button on your headrests and pulling this tab right here to lower your top portion of your seats. All right, now we're gonna move on to removing the glass. First step is to pull these two tabs up here to lower the glass over here. This is a one-person job, so all you gotta do is push this little stopper, remove the glass. Now that we removed the glass, we're gonna put it in position and lock it in place. All right, now we just stow the glass away. In this back portion here. Then these two tabs come down into place. Now we're ready to lower the entire midgate.